conversation taking place. I can hear the guitars play lovely tunes every time that you walk in the room. I close my eyes for a second and pretend it's me you want. Meanwhile I try to act so nonchalant. I see a summer's night with a magic moon every time that you walk in the room. Baby, it's a dream come true, walking right alongside of you. Wish I could tell you how much I care, but I only have the nerve to stare.